It's your girl Majestie and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be about reasons why people fail. Now, number one for me would have to be they expect things too fast. You know, they have a goal, it's all up in their head, it's all stuck up in there. They do one thing and expect when they wake up the next morning, boom, they're gonna have it. Listen, life doesn't work like that. This is not a TV show, okay? Everything takes time. There has to be a plan for it. And then because they see no results, they're like, yeah, this isn't working out for me. I mean, you didn't even try. You did like one thing. And then that's why they fail, because they're not willing to go an extra mile. And then that brings me on to my second point. They're too comfortable. You know, they're just stuck in their comfort zone. You know, they want something, but they're not willing to do anything to get it. You know, if they're supposed to get up early, they ain't gonna do it. Their sleep's too precious. If they're supposed to go to bed early, they ain't gonna do it. Their TV show's too precious. If they're supposed to stay up late, then they use that an excuse for the next morning to stay in bed late. You know, they just make excuses. They're too comfortable. They don't want to go an extra mile to do anything. They rather just stay comfortable with their arms open, waiting for everything just to fall in. That's not going to work, and that's why you fail. And then my last reason would have to be they're afraid of taking risks. You know, they think, oh no, if I do that, it might not work. It's going to fail. Oh no, I'm scared of what's going to happen. Listen. It's okay to have those emotions going through your body. It's okay to be scared. It's okay to think it's gonna fail. But if you constantly think that, then you've already failed, because you're not going that extra mile just to try it. Listen, by taking a risk, that's getting you closer to where you want to be, or it could take you straight to where you want to be. Whatever you want, you clearly don't want it that much if you're not taking a risk. Because if you want it, you wouldn't care about embarrassment. You wouldn't care if it's not going to work. You just want to know what's going to happen. You want to see the result of it. But because you don't want it that much, and then that's why you fail. That's why every year or every day you think, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that. But because you don't do nothing to get there, that's why you don't have it. You have to break free from your comfort zone, and you have to just go that extra mile, and then you will start to see success. Stop being afraid to do things. Stop making excuses. Stop it. Make a change. Do something different. Alright? And I'm pretty sure success will come to you. But if any of those spoke to you, if any of those reasons spoke to you, then honestly, try and change it. Only you can change it. But for me, those are my 3 reasons why people fail. And I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thank you for tuning in one more time. And I'll see you in another one. Bye.